Let's make a color-themed activity basket for my 2-year-old toddler. This is an easy DIY activity basket you can make at home using toys you already own. What I did was go through all of our toy bins and pick out toys that are baby-friendly. I used what I had and divided everything into 4 different activity bins for the day. The first activity bin was filled with random things that were red. I honestly filled it with what didn't fit in the other activity bins. The second activity bin was filled with a red flashcard, red crayons and markers, and a red coloring page from abcmouse.com. The third activity bin is divided into 6 sections, so I used that to add 6 different toys that can be used to build or create. The last activity bin is filled with all the red food we own. It's also my way of introducing names of food. My 2-year-old played with everything throughout the day. There were no time limits, and when I noticed she was over one basket, I introduced the next. I have all these toy pieces linked in my Amazon storefront in case anyone is looking for something similar.